Hey neighbor, Big Ben Thiessen here with RE/MAX Executives, and welcome to East Kildonan. We're in a fantastic location this morning. We're close to schools, we're close to parks. But let's talk about this property right behind me here, 240 Sydney Avenue. Beautiful curb appeal, lots of really fantastic updates on this property. Just under 1,000 square feet, so it's a great maybe starter home or a downsize home. We've got 2 bedrooms up, 1 down. Really great flow to the house. Let's go take a look. One of the things I can really appreciate is the addition off the kitchen. It's fantastic to have an eat-in kitchen like that, very uncommon for the neighborhood. And it gives us this opportunity for this beautiful screen room coming right off your kitchen. Another great thing about this property is this fantastic private backyard. We've got a beautiful garden area here with patio space. We've got garden boxes. Come check this out. I absolutely love insulated garages. We've got a 14 by 20 fully insulated. You've got an insulated door. What more could you ask for? Well, we've got an additional parking space in the back, so that's fantastic. Well, I guess that'll conclude our tour of 240 Sydney Avenue. If you or anyone you know has any questions about this property, or maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below, or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor. One of the great features of this hey, what am I, like, playing cymbals? Okay. Come on, Ben.